Faux Locs where? Where? Tell me where. Y'all like my hair? I hope so, because that's why you're here, right? So I'm going to be giving you guys the full details on how I was able to achieve this look. I realized that I already did an intro when I initially recorded me doing my hair, so I'm going to keep it short and sweet. My name is Goldenchildchi, aka Chinara. If you didn't already know that, that probably means you're not subscribed, so go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below, because I'm always hooking you up with the hauls, the looks, the braids, the faux locs, the hair care, the everything. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Let me know if you have any questions or anything, and let's get into it. I forgot the most important detail. This hair is $30 right now on Amazon. Like, if you know anything about faux locs, the Bobbi Boss new lock hair, especially for this length, is like $8 to $10 a pack, and you need like 6 packs. That is $60. Then if you wrap them, sis, the water wave hair is, this hair is expensive. So this is an alternative, and I would highly recommend it to you guys. This video is being shot long after I've already experienced the hair, so no need to worry about me judging prematurely. I'm in love with this hair. It's bomb. It did what it needed to do, and it's still doing it to this day. So check the video out. So I know it's been a while since you guys have seen like my little luxurious pink wall and all that. But today I just am recording in my living room and the like basically the hallway, because I don't feel like moving my camera. But I just wanted to do a really quick intro for you guys, just because I'm not going to be recording the first part of this video where I'm just like braiding my hair up, because I already have a video on it. So check that out, check that out. And before we go any further, my name is Chinara, aka Goldenchildchi. And I mostly do like hauls. I do my hair, I be braiding my hair, I be doing everything. So check out my other videos while you're here. And today I'm just gonna be doing, I guess, like kind of a comparison. So I'm gonna be doing an updated distressed Bobbi Boss new lock look, but I'm gonna be using this hair that was sent to me from this vendor on Amazon. And I guess they saw my video, so they hit your girl up. They was like, girl, you trying to do a review? And I was like, yeah. So it's from Extrend Hair. So this is like the bag it came in, which is cool. I've never seen this before. And this is what the hair looks like. So to me, it looks like pretty similar to the Bobbi Boss new lock hair. I just feel like this hair is a little less shiny, which can be a good thing. And they're a little, like maybe like a ½ centimeter skinnier from what it looks like. But maybe they'll like puff up. But they basically look the same, but they're like $10 less in total. So y'all know whenever I can save money, I'm trying to save money. So I will let you guys know how I feel about this hair once I try the hairstyle out. And yeah, it's basically like the same length, same everything, same color. We just gotta see which one is the GOAT. Like, which one can withstand the test of my hair. So I'm not looking forward to doing this. I don't want to comb my hair at all, but I'm also not paying to get my hair done. So, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. And if you guys notice my lips looking a little black, I do have sunburn from using clear lip gloss while I was in Aruba. I think it just like, whatever's in it, it just didn't react well with the sun. I should have stuck to my Vaseline, but I was feeling cute. I was like, I don't need Vaseline, let me just put on my lip gloss. Big mistake. So, that's that. So to braid my hair today, I don't think I'm going to use Shine and Jam, just because I don't think it's necessary. I'm just going to be using some Murray's Edge Wax. Y'all know the deal already. And I'm going to be using some Shea Moisture braid butter. So these are what I typically use when I'm just braiding my hair. So this is for moisture, and I'll just link it below because you guys can't really see it. I'm going to be using that for moisture, and this just to like obviously slick my hair. So let's see how that go. I'll be back when I finish braiding my hair up to show you guys what it looks like, what foundation I'm going to be doing. I'm feeling lazy, so I hope my parts are not too jacked up. But I'll see you guys when I start braiding my hair up. Bye y'all. See y'all in a minute. Okay guys, so crazy thing with how my hair is looking now. I don't think I'm going to wrap them. I think I'm just going to leave them just like this, because let me see if I can find some. They look so good just without wrapping. So I don't know. I don't think it's necessary to wrap them. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't need to be wasting no more hair, because this hair is already pricey, even though I didn't pay for it. But I actually think I prefer this over the Bobbi Boss new locks, just because I feel like they're more intact, like they don't unravel as quickly, and like when I wrap my hair around it has like a tighter hold. I don't know, it's just like when I like palm roll it between my hands, it actually stays. So I think I like them better. They're like super long, it's like under my butt. But what I tried to do is let me see if you guys can see it better against the wall. What I tried to do is like connect it closer to the like midpoint of the end, so they wouldn't be like 36 inches, because I don't know about y'all, but nobody got time for that over here. So I tried to like try to make them like 32 inches, so hopefully they are that length. This one feels a little tight. So I did notice that I kind of have too many braids because I don't want to have like 500 dreads on my head. So I've been going in and like condensing them. So I turned this row, it was previously 4 braids, I just changed it into 3 braids, and I did the same on this side. So yeah, we're almost there. I left these small because I'm like, these are on the front, so they should be a little smaller, but so far so good. Let's see how the rest goes. So this is gonna be my last video with this like whack background. I kind of miss my pink walls, and I feel like this just looks so decrepit. Like, I don't know, is this the Halloween edition? You're just looking down an empty hallway, mad weird. But wow, I have the tail comb. I just want to show you guys how I extend these faux locks. So I found another way to do it, so that's what I've been doing, and it's been working out pretty good. So I extend them before I put them in. So 1 minute. Almost fell off the damn chair. And let me see if I can turn this up a little bit. This is like all in my face, like, oh my god. So basically the new way to do it, so I have my 2 faux locks, and this is crazy, like they don't even look like 36. Okay guys, so I'm finally at the home stretch. This is taking me forever because I have not been doing my hair consistently. I've been stopping, like, oh, I'll finish tomorrow, I'll finish tomorrow. So I'm finally almost done. I only have 4 left, and just don't mind my lips. It looks like I was eating. I also lost all pop bars, but I got sunburn on my lips when I was in Aruba. Vlog coming soon. But yeah, I got sunburn on my lips because I was using that old 99-cent lip gloss like it was Vaseline. So not doing that again. All right, so this is what you do. You put the crochet needle through. I already have the locks connected, like so, like that. Little 36 inches, but not really. So you take, I'm gonna take the hook that's on the crochet here, I'm gonna close the latch hook, pull it through. Now this is the better way that I found to do it. Before, I felt like my roots were a little too puffy, so I'm finding out that my hair came out better doing it with this method. So I'm gonna put my braid and the crochet lock through the loop. And before, I was only putting 1 through, if I remember correctly, and that's why my hair was so But I also do think this hair is much better because it is not as loose, so it's not unraveling as much as the other hair was. So the other hair, when you open it up to wrap it around your hair like this, can you guys see that? Open it up, wrap it around your hair. So it's not a twisting motion. So you're holding the braid and then you're taking the faux lock and you want to unravel it a little and then just wrap it around. And you want to keep just wrapping it around. Be sure not to twist because then it's going to look like you twisted it and it's not going to look good. But yeah, I'm finding that this hair is way more intact. It's actually staying wrapped versus the other hair, which you unravel it and it's kind of like it's set like that, and I didn't really like that. So let me just make sure that my braid is covered, so we're good. And even like the fact that it's not as shiny, I feel like it's better. So as of right now, I would definitely recommend this hair to you guys, but we'll see when I finish my whole entire head how it looks. And I just want to keep making sure that my hair is covered. Ooh, out of frame. Okay. And just keep wrapping. And I like to braid my hair all the way down to the ends because I'm protecting my ends. I don't know, some people don't, but I feel like I don't want my hair, you know, rubbing against this very dry faux loc. Like, I just feel like it's not good for my ends. So I just take the time, I either twist the ends or I just braid it all the way down, depending on like what the ends look like already. So this is what it looks like. So you can't see the braid at all. Let me just get this to focus. So this is what it looks like. And there's no like bump at my root. It's basically seamless. Yeah, it's basically seamless. All the way down to the end. So I definitely like this hair. As far as how much hair I used all 6 packs. I actually and it's really important to wrap in the direction that the faux loc is already opening. You don't want to wrap the opposite way because you're just going to end up unraveling the whole faux loc and it's not going to look cute. But luckily with these, if you just like pull it taut, it does like revert back to being coiled up. So yeah, and I just like to make sure my hair is covered by doing a little pull and snatch. A little pull and snatch or whatever. But yeah, I know some people say their hair unravels. I haven't had that issue, but I'm so happy that I don't have to wrap them this time, because before I wrapped them, one, because I wanted the distressed look, and two, because I felt like it was so puffy. I didn't like how it looked. Like, it just looked weird, and now it looks good. 2 more, y'all. I'm gonna put my crochet needle through about 2 inches before the very end of it. So I'm gonna push that all the way through. Then I'm gonna take the other faux loc and I'm gonna push the needle through the loop on the second faux loc. Once I get the loop on the hook, I'm gonna close the latch hook, pull it through the end of the faux loc. Once that's done, so now we have the faux loc. I'm gonna take the other end of the faux loc. So that's this. I'm gonna take the other end, close the latch hook, and I'm gonna pull it through. And I'm gonna pull it through here, take the latch hook out. Now I have both ends of the faux loc. So basically we have this little loop-a-jig thingamajig, which is going to take the end of the faux loc that we just put through. We're going to pull it all the way down. And now we have this nice little knotty. You can't just leave the end hanging out like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little piece, we're going to bring it towards the end that it's closest to, and we're just going to wrap around. Until we don't have any more hair to wrap. And that is it. That is the extended faux loc. Good. Now it's good to go insert into my head. So don't mind my eyebrows. I'm about to take care of those right now. But ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna speed this one up so you guys can see it one more time. Faux Locs where? Where? Tell me where. Where you see Faux Locs? Because this is my real hair. I was born with dreads. I've been growing them since I was 2 years old. Alright. Last one. One braid left, one braid left, one braid left, one braid left. Alright, so I'm so happy to be done. Oh my god, this has been, oh my god, this style has really tested me because I was just so exhausted and I don't know why. Like, I was just over it. Like, get it, because this should only take like at max, if even, 8 hours. But my hair is so thick, to braid it was like the biggest part. And then by the time it was time for me to put on the Faux Locs, I was over it. Like, wait. I'm finally done. And what I was doing, I didn't want them to be too heavy. So I was like, I'm not gonna use more than the 6 packs that were provided. So that is what I did. This is all 6 packs. Order Amazon here, Amazon here. Get out of my video. Like, I'm wasting my business. Don't do that. But this is what it looks like. I'll come back and show you guys like my baby hair is laid. The eyebrows are gonna be plucked. The face is gonna be beat. And things are gonna get very real. So I'll be right back. They're not heavy at all. They are like, they're lighter than normal dreads, but they're not like light as a feather. But like if you normally do braid style like jumbo braids, Faux Locs, this is nothing for you. But yeah, it's definitely not like lighty. But yeah, so that is how I was able to achieve this look. If you guys want more looks like this, if you guys want like a hairstyle video, I can do that as well. But I am in love with it. It's super lightweight. My friend the other day, she's like, they look like they're growing out of your head. Like, they really look like real locks. And I was like, girl, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. So I think this is gonna be like my new go-to protective style now that I have like unlocked the Faux Loc power, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so if you didn't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and drop a comment if you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to say, girl, you look good. All right, but I'll see you guys in my next video.